So today I'm going to do another tag video, and this is my second time doing a tag video and I'm quite liking it. So I was tagged by my YouTube friend here in YouTube, and her name is Feline Ina. Hi Ina, and we are both from Cebu City. So hello, kumusta? Okay ra diyan sa Cebu. Kung akoan kayo dira karon, happy ka diya karon kay Pasko na, New Year, og sinulog. Oh my God. Last year I was celebrating all those holidays, Christmas, New Year, and sinulog in Cebu, but this year I won't be spending my holidays in the Philippines. But oh my God, I wish I was there, but maybe next time. So let's go ahead and get started because I think there are 50 questions. That's a lot of questions. So yeah, let's get right into it. Definitely close because it just feels so weird, because whenever I look around my apartment, it always reminds me of all the Japanese horror movies. Yeah, it looks, my surroundings looks much the same from Japanese horror movies. So I always keep that closet doors closed because you know Sadako might go out from the closet. So yeah, let's get on with that. I don't want to think about that. From what I remember, it's not shampoo, it's the bubble baths from the hotel. Me and my cousins always do that. We always get bubble baths, not shampoos and conditioners, but bubble baths because we are obsessed before with bubble baths. So we always take bubble baths from the hotel. Please don't tell. Tucked in. No, but I want to try. Yes, I definitely do like post-it notes. I'm obsessed with it. When I was in college, I always stick it on the sides of my notebooks. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I always end up not using them. Oh my gosh, I don't know. If I wanted a bear, bees, maybe I'll just choose the bees. Yeah, I don't know if these are freckles, but I guess it's age spot. But pretty much my face, it doesn't have any spots. I just have one dot here. I think it's age spot. Yeah, just a teeny dot. No. Being late, yeah, I don't really like, especially when we agree on something, where what time we meet, and then when that person comes super late. Yeah, I kinda don't like it. Because I usually come like 10 or 15 minutes early. From what I remember, I guess I don't. I've never been in the woods actually. Yeah, most of the time. I don't, but I chew the eraser end of the pencil. Of course. Something that could fit 2 people, which is king size. Oh, definitely that Cebuano or Visayan song. It goes like this. May pasa atong mga damgo. Atuna pa'y ikaw ug ako. Ug kung mauman gani may pagmatugog balik. Pukawan ako buwag na mo. Kuyog-kuyog pa. Kun ninyong duha. Sungog-sungog ka. Oh my gosh, I could sing that song like forever. Yeah, that's what I've been singing a lot lately. I know, it just keeps on coming back to the back of my mind. Yeah, why not? I remember that I bought a pink polo shirt for my husband. Yeah, years back. So yeah, I think it's fine. Yes, I do. I really do. I've been watching Frozen still. I cannot remember, but there are a lot really. Oh gosh. Where? I don't know. Help. I always have hot tea. Yeah, I like tea. Right now I keep on watching Mission Impossible Rogue Nation. That's my favorite one. And Ghost Protocol. And also I like the one from Leonardo DiCaprio, Inception. I really like that movie. And Legally Blonde one. Yeah, I like Reese Witherspoon. I even named my first daughter Reese because I really like that movie. Vinegar and soy sauce. I like fish, fried fish, and I also like Italian foods and Japanese food, but not sushi. I don't like sushi. I cannot eat sushi. Of course, my hobby. Yes, I was a Girl Scout when I was in elementary. But when I was in high school, no, I didn't anymore. I don't know. I haven't seen any Girl Scout during my high school years. I don't know. Yeah, but when I was in elementary, I was a Girl Scout. Never. No. That was 12 years ago when I wrote a letter to my husband. I don't think I can. Yeah, sorry. No. I don't think so. I like peanut butter and cheese sandwich only. Coffee and bread and bacon. I always see to it that I sleep like around 10:30 or earlier in the evening because I wanted to get my 8 hours of sleep. Yup. Not really. Yeah, not really. When I was a kid, I don't think that Halloween is already popular in the Philippines, so no, I didn't dress up anything at all. I don't know, I'm not very particular with zodiac signs at all. I can speak Cebuano, Bisaya, Tagalog, English, and Japanese. Yeah, I think 4. Nope. I don't play them both. Yeah, sometimes, in those days. Who are they, man? Yeah, I do. I watch Marimar. But ever since I live in Japan, I don't watch any of those soap operas anymore. But when I was in the Philippines, yes, I definitely do. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, it terrifies me. Most of the time, girl. Oh, I don't, but I definitely sing in the shower. Nope. I haven't held a gun in my hand ever, and it makes me terrified if I even see a gun, so I'm not gonna hold a gun. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of questions, you guys, but I'm happy that I finished them all, and it's quite a very fun tag actually. Oh my gosh. Yeah, some of the questions are kind of weird, but it was so fun, and I really enjoy doing this tag. And thank you so much, Ina, for tagging me, because I really enjoy this one. So I'm tagging a few of my YouTube friends here, so make sure to check the description box because I will be listing all the names there. And if you are watching this video, I am also tagging you. So yeah, please do this tag. It's a really fun tag. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you had a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next one. Love you guys. Peace.